Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shruti and I make videos related to curly hair, beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you like what you're seeing so far, then make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it's free and why not, and it will help me a lot as well. So yeah, please subscribe to this channel. So today's video, I'm gonna share some tools and techniques that I use to make sure that my wash days are always perfect and I get this beautiful, voluminous, juicy curls each and every single wash day. And you can use any product that you have at your place, so it really doesn't matter. But if you need some help choosing what product you should go for, then you should definitely check out my curly fave series. That will help you guys. But this video is all gonna be about the tools and techniques that I use, because trust me, that's gonna change your whole game. That's gonna change the whole entire game for you guys. And you can use this tools and techniques with any product that you're using currently. So products does not matter. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so my wash days always starts a day before, as I like to pre-poo or prep my hair before I hit the shower. Now you can pre-poo using oil, hair mask, DIY mask, it's your choice. It really doesn't matter. I like to listen to my hair and see what it needs and treat it accordingly. Now I am gonna use a hair mask today as my hair is feeling extra dry and it needs that nourishment. And then I'm gonna hit it with a heat cap from Hair Love India. Now you must be asking, Shruti, heat cap, what is that? So basically, when you go to a salon to get a hair spa done, they usually put a oil or a hair mask in your hair and then put it under steam to make sure all of that oil in hair mask absorbs better, right? In the same way, this is a thermal heat cap. You just need to put this in the microwave for 2 or 3 minutes. Now this has pockets, as you can see, and each pocket has flax seeds in them, which has heat retaining properties, and these flax seeds are distributed evenly all across, and it works exactly same as steam treatment. It helps all the products that you put, oil and deep conditioners, penetrate deeper and better into your hair to get best results. And now you can get your hair spa done at home, but make sure to keep it in a cool and dry place away from moisture, and it can last up to 2 years agar properly store kiya gaya to. And if you think about the cost of it, this one heat cap will cost you equal to one hair spa session in salon. So if you think about it, if you preserve it correctly, you will get 2 years worth of hair spa at the cost of one. I think it's a steal. You should grab it. I have applied the deep conditioner and detangled my hair. Next, I'm gonna put a shower cap, and then on top, I'm gonna put thermal heat cap, जिसको मैंने heat किया है in microwave for 3 minutes, and I'm gonna let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Also, one more thing I would like to add is do not overdo it. Listen to your hair needs and treat it accordingly. If your hair is feeling extra dry and it needs that spa session, only then do it. I would say the best rahega once in a month, and if your hair is extra dry, frizzy, damaged hair bal, so twice a month is more than enough. Especially with this, as it's a spa session, it's intense, not like a normal conditioner. So I would say do this once or twice a month max. Your hair absorbs far more under heat, since that's when the follicles are open, which allows the ingredients to penetrate the follicles more efficiently and soften your hair. You can pre-poo overnight or 30 minutes before shower, it's your choice. Today, as I applied hair mask, I'm gonna wash it off after 30 minutes. Okay, so I've shampooed, conditioned and applied stylers in my hair. Next, I'm gonna use microfiber gloves from Hair Love India to scrunch out excess water and promote curl formation. These gloves are amazing, and they not only remove excess water, but they also make my curls super defined, as you can see in the video. Cup your hair in your palm with the gloves on and squeeze out the excess water. This motion helps in locking in the product while defining your curls. I'm gonna show you a side-by-side clip of me using my hands to scrunch the water out, and the right side is using a microfiber glove. As you can see, the curls are super defined and there is no excess water dripping as well. The high quality microfiber that Hair Love uses absorbs only water, and it does not absorb a lot of product. So the stylers that you use is still intact. I mean, you pay a lot of money on your stylers. You want them to be on your hair, right? It's also double layered and quilted to give you a premium feel. Next, I'm gonna plop my hair using microfiber turban. This again soaks up excess water, improves the definition of curls and helps it to retain throughout the drying process, and of course decrease the time it takes to air dry as well. The turban is again made with a very high quality microfiber cloth which does not absorb a lot of product and is amazing for our curls. And throughout the styling and drying process, I like to wear this cape to protect my clothes from products as well as dripping water. I don't know about you guys, but I absolutely hate it when my t-shirt gets wet because my hair is still wet. Oh, so annoying. This cape is different because it has one side as plastic and one side as t-shirt fabric. So when I want to protect my clothes while I style, I wear it with the plastic side facing up, and once that is done, you can use the t-shirt side again to scrunch out the excess water. Again, the quality of the plastic as well as t-shirt fabric is really good. Also, the satin robe I'm wearing is also from Hair Love India. Love the quality of it. I'm gonna let my hair dry completely and I'll see you guys later. Okay, now my hair is 100% dry, but it's a little stiff because of the gel cast. I know a lot of people get scared of the gel cast, asking why is my hair feeling stiff. It's probably the gel cast that we need to break by scrunching it. The gel cast protects our curls during the drying process, so it's good. Don't be scared of it. To break the cast, I'm gonna use silk mittens. Now these are great to break the gel cast because you don't have to use any extra oil or cream that will weigh your hair down, and it will not cause any frizz like bare palms will. Just wear a cute silk mittens and scrunch away to get amazing frizz-free, bouncy and voluminous curls. Now these come in a cute travel-friendly pouch, so you can definitely travel with them. And the last step in my routine is to separate clumped curls and fluff them to get more volume. Just by separating clumped curls, you can add so much more volume to your curls. And to fluff, I'm gonna use a hair pick. Now this is great to get volume, especially near the crown area. So I like to flip my hair upside down and use the hair pick away from my face and fluff it up. Don't use it as a detangler, just use it near the roots to fluff it up, and voila, this is the final result. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. I hope the tips and techniques that I shared in this video was helpful and you will incorporate it in your routine. I'll put all the links for the products that I used in this video in the description down below, so it's easy for you guys. And with that said, the comment shout out goes to Bella Cosmos. Bella, thank you so much for your comment. It's so sweet and I love that you guys are enjoying the vlogs. I'll definitely be making more of those. जब भी कुछ fun event रहे. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah, chalo, bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to float the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.